Hey, what's up everyone? So if your OnePlus Buds Pro 2, maybe it's not working properly, having frequent disconnection issues, or you're just giving it away, whatever the issue is, you wanna hard reset this device. Stay with us because in this video, we're gonna show you how to factory reset this device. Now first, before anything else, to reset your device, it's recommended that if it's connected to your other phone, just disconnect or forget this device from your phone. And then make sure your Buds Pro 2 have enough charge. Now to hard reset this device, open the lid of your charging box and also make sure both of the buds are in there on their own ports. And what you can do is press and hold the setup button for at least 15 seconds. Now after that, you will see white light blinking in the indicator lamp at first. And then keep pressing, release the hold whenever you see blinking red light in here. And then after that, you will again see white blinking light. That means your OnePlus Buds Pro 2 is in pairing mode now and the reset is complete. Now after the reset process, if your connected device is near the Bluetooth range of your Buds Pro, you will get a pop-up. And then after that, you can connect it to your phone or just give it away, whatever you want. So that's how you can factory reset your OnePlus Buds Pro. And hopefully after that, all the issues you were facing will be solved. So why did you need to reset it? Join us in the comment section and share with us. Thank you for watching.